Hi everybody and greetings. I'm Maddie Miguel from chat and welcome to the Disney Movies Blog TV channel. Today I'm going to show you on what you get when you unbox Walt Disney Bambi 2 Blu-ray Combo Pack set. Here it is. Here's what the front cover looks like. It has Bambi, Thumper and his sisters, Flower, the friend Owl, and the Great Prince of the Forest on the front cover on it. So, here's the spine and the back. Here's what bonus features you'll get. You'll get the lead song, Sing the Day, The Legacy Continue, a making of featurette, Bambi 2 trivia tracks, discover pop-up facts as you watch the film, Disney Sketchpad, learn how to draw Thumper, and more. You'll also get English, Spanish, and French audio and subtitles language tracks. And you'll also get the Disney Movies Anywhere, now known as Movies Anywhere Digital Movie Copy HD download format activation code. You should use this to take your favorite Disney, Pixar, Marvel, Lucasfilm, Muppets, and other movie studios movies on the go, like on the road trip. Let's unbox this movie. Here's Walt Disney Bambi 2 Disney Blu-ray disc. And here's Walt Disney Bambi 2 Disney DVD disc. And here's the Disney Movies Anywhere, now known as Movies Anywhere Digital Movie Copy HD download format activation code. You should use it to take your favorite Disney, Pixar, Marvel, Lucasfilm, Muppets, and other movie studios movies on the go, like on the road trip. This is the back side of it. Thanks for watching this video and please give it a like and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.